Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time zone you are in. My name is Attorney Justin Camper. I am a criminal defense attorney located right here in northern Indiana, and I run a criminal defense law firm. The name of my law firm is Justin Camper Law, LLC, and our focus is on people who have been charged with a crime, and we have a mission to help them avoid jail and reclaim freedom in their lives. And on today, I want to do a very short video breaking down the charges of Sean Diddy Combs, and we're going to talk about what he has been charged with, what is the next step for him, and why this might be important for someone like you. So let's talk about it. So on September 17, 2024, he's been charged federally, but in New York, he was charged with a 3-count, and an indictment is just formal accusations that have been made against you. They have made accusations that he is involved in sex trafficking, racketeering, and transportation to engage in prostitution. They said that these crimes took over a period of more than a decade, involving multiple victims. They say that he uses power and his influence within the music industry to coerce women into participating in orchestrating sexual explicit events known as freak-offs. And these events were allegedly multi-day gatherings involving drug, male sex workers, and where Diddy had used force, threats, and control over the victims' careers to ensure compliance. So those are some pretty heavy allegations. So let's talk a little bit more about those allegations in depth. They said that Diddy's use of drugs and violence and manipulation to control his victims were very deep. The prosecutors are now claiming that he provided women with substances like cocaine, ketamine, and he used these drugs to make them more compliant. In addition, he used physical abuse as a major aspect. According to the prosecutors, he allegedly physically assaulted multiple women. One incident in 2016, Los Angeles hotel, he was even caught on camera, went viral for what he did with Cassidy, his old girlfriend. They said that he not only did these things, but he facilitated, he organized it, he did the traveling, the logistics to make this stuff happen. So what's going to happen next? Well, he's going to have a formal hearing, which I believe has happened already. He's going to plead not guilty, and he's going to come up with a plan to try to challenge the evidence against him. That seems very mounting, but if he's found guilty, these penalties are very severe. Let's just talk about why this case is important to someone like you. Well, it's bigger than just someone who's been charged with a music mogul. It's bigger than that. It's because anybody could technically get charged with criminal charges, and you have to be ready. You have to understand that when these charges happen, you have to be prepared to hire an attorney so that he can prepare a personalized legal defense, create a strategy based off your expectation and the evidence that's been presented against you. I'm sure that, with his public career and everything that comes with it, Diddy is going to have to do some deep strategy with his attorneys on how to help get out of jail and to fight these criminal charges. It's a very high profile case, but many of the issues are the same. So I'm looking forward to watching it and sharing my thoughts as things begin to unfold. And I did a short video on purpose because I just wanted to let you know what's already out there, what he's been charged with. But there's going to be constant updates on this. So I want to continue to update you as I get updates and as I feel is necessary to provide information to the people to give strong strategic criminal defense tips as I see it plays out in Diddy's case. If you know someone who may be dealing with federal charges, if you are dealing with federal charges, you definitely want to contact an attorney as soon as possible if you don't have one. If you're located in Indiana, we actually do help people who have been dealing with criminal charges or dealt with criminal charges. So if you or your loved one need help, feel free to reach out. But again, my name is Attorney Justin Camper. I'm a criminal defense attorney located in northern Indiana. I have a team of attorneys that are working hard every day for our one mission to help all of our clients avoid jail and reclaim freedom in their lives. And I started this YouTube channel to give out legal tips, to engage with the public. So there's topics, and particularly legal topics, that you want me to discuss and review, or questions that you have, please leave it in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe. And always remember to stay informed, stay strong, stay legal. And I'll see you at the next video.